Welcome to SBI Wala Nifty analysis. You can see it gapped up but could not sustain, and then it broke down until these levels are maintained. Until these levels are maintained, we still can't say it is a bearish signal, but the all the candles today, you can see there was nothing a bullish candle except this one. So today the sentiment was definitely on the bearish side, and we have written lot of calls on the December monthly, and still waiting. Right now we are in loss and still waiting for the breakdown. Coming to RSA, the reason why we have written, I will be explaining. Coming to MACD, it has shown some divergence. This is definitely a bearish signal. You can see there was a divergence here. There was a double top, and though the Nifty has moved up, the MACD hasn't moved up, and there is a slight divergence downside, which can relate. We can see MACD coming to this levels, in a long term. So a consolidation or breakdown is very well possible. Coming to RSI, though there was a rally up, you can see there is a divergence downside, which clearly tells it's a bearish signal. So until this this levels is broken, we can't say this levels 25,000 will act as a very good support. Until that is broken, we can't say it's a bearish signal. Until then, we can say at least a consolidation or a continuing pattern. And coming to why we were saying MACD like a bearish signal could be a possible, and why have we have written a lot of calls with. You can see the rally which started in 2023 around April May, and it continued continuously. Only this was a correction during the election week, election day, 10% correction, but it again went up. But what we have observed is this is a MACD, and MACD is at the very high levels. And last time this happened, last time MACD correction has happened, these levels, there was a massive 7 to 8%, like close to 7 to 8% correction because of USD INR breakout. We could not see a much breakdown compared to Nasdaq or S&P 500, but still these levels are being tested today, will be tested, and this is a very massive MACD zone. And only once it breaks below 25,000, we can clearly see some bearish signal. But right now it hasn't come, it hasn't tested even the 20 MACD 20 moving average since a longer time, and there is a possibility it can have correction, deep correction quickly, and then rise it. Right now we don't have any much like economic data. That could be also the reason. And weekly coming to RSI, there is a double top formed, there is a deep correction, and then it is going to the same levels. It is definitely a overbought zone. We have to wait and see how it would behave. But coming to daily chart, you can see MACD is getting divergent. MACD is getting divergent on the upper side, and RSA, after dropping massively during the election, during the attack Japanese, I'm sorry, what I don't remember the war, and after the Japanese sell-off, after the massive Japanese sell-off, again it came to the same levels. So there is definitely a pressure in the Nifty to go forward, and downward momentum is more compared to upward momentum. Coming to daily chart, daily candle is again after a doji. After doji, there is a bearish candle, which is clearly indication it gapped up but could not sustain the levels. And coming to monthly chart, monthly is very new. Like today is the first trading day, and we don't want to um, uh, tell anything. Yeah, thank you.